Stop guessing on Microsoft Teams and Outlook crashing in your Android work profile. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials for these enterprise app loops are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you just reinstall the app or contact your IT department. But that is a one-way ticket to a week of downtime while you wait for a response that never comes. Before we fix the sync, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the Intune policy refresh so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexist, the only authority you need for Pixel 10 Pro and work profile stability fixes. These crashes happen because the Android 16 QPR3 beta has introduced a certificate mismatch between your personal profile's Google Play services and the sandbox work profile, causing Microsoft Security Handshake to fail and force close the app. To fix this, you must open your work profile settings and find the company portal app specifically. You need to force stop it and clear the cache, but here's the secret trick other creators missed. You must then go to your personal profile settings, find Google Play services, and uninstall all updates to force the phone back to the factory sealed security version. Rexis has verified that once you re-update Play services from the store and then open the company portal to check compliance, the encryption keys will realign across both profiles. After one quick restart, Teams and Outlook will launch perfectly without a single crash. Follow these steps and your mobile office will be back online instantly. Comment below if you want the fix for the work profile can't connect to camera bug.